Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today we are reporting from the Hilton Garden Inn in Saratoga Springs, New York. And it is room number 431, I believe. Let me check. Let's see. Yes, 431. We're in deep January in the winter time. It is freezing cold outside, and we arrived here very late, so we just checked in. It's just before midnight. Check-in was very smooth since nothing's happening at midnight, so that's good. We were told right away that the pool isn't working, so that's a disappointment right off the bat. Other than that, so far, I would say the room looks pretty good. I'm not sure about those stains. Maybe they need to clean the ceiling a little bit. Okay, let's keep going. Coffee maker, tea, decaf, 2 bottles of water, microwave. Small fridge, great. The beds look good. They actually don't look like queen beds, they look like double beds. Anyway, not a big deal. Oh yeah, and the room was kind of cold when I opened the door, so the first thing I did is turn on the heat, which is working now, thankfully. Yeah, other than that, I don't know. It's a Hilton Garden Inn. Tomorrow we will find more information and check out the property. But yeah, the pool is closed, which is already, like I said, not great. Other than that, hopefully the breakfast will be decent. Yeah, it's you can tell it's an older property, but it's not bad. It's not too old. Have you guys stayed here before? If you have stayed here before, please let us know in the comment section. Also, if you can recommend any other hotels in Saratoga Springs, which is just outside of Albany, New York. If you can recommend any hotels for our next trip, please let me know in the comment section. That's very important. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.